Okay, so I'm going to walk through the Self-Employed Organizer. So this is a tool designed to capture income, self-employed income, and expenses for each self-employed activity. So this is going to be for each self-employed activity, each different Schedule C that you would have on your tax return will have its own document. So the first thing is going to be the person name if you're sole proprietor, or company name if you have a company name, just an identifier so we know who this organizer is for. Then the description of the service. So like if it were me and I were filling this out, it would be, Cartwright CPA, description of service, CPA services, then EIN, and then the year that it's for. So this is going to be the tax year that we're completing this for. This is very important because we need to make sure that we're using it in the right tax return. So then the next thing you're going to do is if you have received 1099s for your self-employed income, the total of those 1099s, and for the record, those do need to be uploaded into TaxDome also. The total of those 1099s will go here. Then, if you have any other gross receipts or other sales, however you want to categorize that, those totals will also go in here. So that would be income that you did not get 1099 for. Then, the PDF works itself, it will total everything. Then you're going to put your summations for all of your business expenses, and it'll be by category. These are the categories we have. If there's anything that you want to show as separately, like you want to make sure that you have a separate category for something and have it included in the other expenses section, you can write in here what that other expense is and then put the amount over here. But most expenses should be able to fall under these general categories. Again, everything gets totaled here. You're only going to be entering positive numbers for the income and positive numbers for the expenses. The formulas will do the work for you, and you'll get a net income number figure at the end of the day. I'm sure you can see this bottom section. This is for accountant use only. These are adjustments based on things that we do in the tax return. You don't need to do anything with this section. Please leave that section alone. Once you have everything done, you upload it into the tax portal. Then, when we're reviewing, we will download your template here, and if we have adjustments, we'll enter them, and then we will re-upload it in the firm documents section of the portal so that you would have access to this support for your tax return. This is PDF version. We also have an Excel version. We wanted to make sure that we had both because you may or may not be more comfortable with one or the other. In Excel, this is essentially the exact same thing, just in Excel. Everything works the same way. What the Excel version has different is these other two tabs, Home Office Deduction and Business Use of Personal Vehicle. These can easily be completed in the tax organizer, so you do not have to have these filled out. If it helps you to enter stuff here, that's totally fine. This is just an option available, but entering that in the tax organizer itself directly is perfect. If you have any questions about the template or would like assistance with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. This should be a great tool to streamline the tax prep process.